And guess what happened? I had to convert old photos to 4K with AI enhancement. So go ahead and open up your browser and search for AI enhancer or AI photo enhancer for all. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this website, for example, right? And as you can see right here, they basically make the photo look better. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and select or add a photo. Let's have, for example, this photo. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and make it HD. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see the photo has been enhanced. And if you want to make it Ultra HD, you can just do that and see the final results. Okay, so you can close and add any photo that you want, right, and make it look better with AI enhancement. Okay, and as you can see right here, if you want to see the difference, you can try to make it better. Okay, if you want to edit more, you can just go ahead and edit more of that, or edit more of this. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.